communication. Some of them are pretty nice. You can see they're different. Learn. I haven't seen like this before. No, it's different kind of, you know? They differ from white one.
Well, not really. It's just that they've got hair. The others have been shaved.
Nuh-uh. Look at that one, white, and this one. They have like the faces. Different breed. Absolutely different breed. Sometimes it feels like they're human. Beautiful.